Students will not be given credits for assignment submitted after the due date.
The lecture tomorrow will discuss the educational policies in the United States.
The verdict depends on which side was more convincing to the jury.
There will be open book exams on Monday, the 28th.
Please do not bring food into the classroom.
Please make sure all works follow the department deadlines.
To measure distance could easily take as many as 3 weeks. Much of the evidence being used has only recently become available.
History is not the simple collection of dates and events.
If you need help, maybe I can give you a hand.
留洋英语
It is acknowledged that his work is groundbreaking. We need to make sure the school principal knows about the changes.
We didn't mean to ask him to do it because he cannot manage it.
all lecture handouts are downloadable on the university website.
Most of the lectures begin promptly, so do not be late.
Students should book a library tour in the first week of the first semester.
More muscles are used in swimming than any other sport.
He is almost never in his office.
Please prepare a PowerPoint presentation for tomorrow's meeting.
You must ensure you do not include too much irrelevant information.
It's within that framework that we're making our survey.
留洋英语
Don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. The politics combine both the legislative and the political authorities.
Interpreters are not readily available in this department.
We would like a videotape for the lecture.
The sports team members often practice on weekdays and play games on weekends.
As a student union member, we can influence the change of the university.
A renowned economist is selected to have a speech tonight at 8.
Fishing is a sport and a means for surviving.
留洋英语
Many of the urban poor lived in an extremely cramped condition.